Rolling.
3, 2, 1.
My energy level is going.
Yeah, come on, coffee, kick in.
Yeah. We're going to be doing a mirror. No, it's not a mirror. It's an old window.
An old window.
But we've made it look like
Jesse's
mirror.
there. Hi, Jesse. You're only one audience.
Hey, Jesse Yost.
That's what that's what it looks like.
Yeah.
But you know what? Whenever we decided we were going to do this on an old window and we started laying them out, I told Kathy, I said, oh my gosh, instead of using the whole thing on a piece of furniture, you could actually
Piece it out.
piece it out. There's 3 pieces. Cameraman, can you tilt us?
Cameraman.
Oh, what?
Tilt us.
But I was staring at the...
I think we're all
Sorry, it's...
We're going to have to get us a new cameraman, I'm telling you.
Yeah, they used to have
Very
propane on the
good.
sets.
Very
you
good.
know, There, how's that?
There we
Okay.
go. That's
Okay.
great.
She's stuck
So
in
this is not the ones we're going to use, but we took the other 3 and laid them out. And you know what? You could use that on one. Utilize this on one piece.
Yep.
Okay.
Actually, I'm using this one on a dresser for my client.
Oh,
yeah.
cool.
That
Cool.
same one.
All right. So, as you can see, we've taken an old window and we've put a mirror finish on the underside, on the back side.
See, it reflects.
Yes, it reflects. I hope they can see that. I can't tell.
Yeah, it's hard to see
Okay.
in mirrors.
But
so.
this, oh, that's hard to see in there, isn't it?
That's
I
pretty
hope
good.
y'all can see that.
Oh, yeah, you see the reflection.
But due to time restraints, we're not going to go through this. We need to get your phone plugged in,
Yes.
Kathy. Several years ago, I was playing with a product, and the marble effect that you see in there really created some great stuff. So Kathy and I are going to be doing a series of antique mirror finishes, and we will be able to have those for
Availability
after the first year. Yeah. So we'll let y'all know that whenever they're ready, but that's what it kind of looks like. And I'm trying to get the light out of there so that y'all can see.
There's some additional things that we add to
Yes.
it that is pretty darn cool.
Yes.
So you can take a piece of glass and make it into a mirror, an
Yes.
antique mirror.
And make it look really old.
Yeah.
Okay, so what we did instead of, for time purposes, is there were the 3 pieces, like with these over here, that we decided we were going to cut up because we wanted to be able to see some of the mirror. So I've cut it here, and as you can see, the top part right here
Can you see that?
of the transfer, whenever I cut it for it to fit in there, I said, oh my gosh, let's put it here. So Kathy and I we wanted to not waste it so that you could see what was on the top part of the transfer. And the way that, because Kathy and I, from our faux finishing careers, we used to do modelos, and you had a certain way that you had to apply them to your ceiling or whatever project you were working on. So that's the same way that we do the transfers. We take and lift this back, but you don't want to touch this because that will come off on your hands. But right there, it's not going to matter, just a little. And then I push that back, put a crease on it. Okay, I'll hold it and go ahead and let it down. Okay, if you'll hold that. Then you can reach up under here, and as Kathy holds that, it's not going to go anywhere. Then you can pull this backer off, and you know your design is going to be in place. Just like that. Oh, yes.
Ooh, yeah.
That is nice. I like that. And then we've got to be really careful with, and we may not do the whole mirror.
Yeah.
But we just wanted to show you the process. And we've really got to be careful because this window and the glass is so old. So if we have an issue, we may stop. But I'll go ahead and start doing the transfer. And Kathy has had an idea of using one of the molds here. And actually, I think it would be cool to add 2 or 3.
Yeah, like 3, yeah.
I think it would.
Different ones. And this is, I guess this is a mixed media
Yeah.
project because we're using different mediums. With this, I'm just gonna do a little dry brushing technique. I'm just taking a little bit of product and then I'm just kind of offloading it. This is the Prima chalk paste, and this is cranberry. And we had already put some really pretty the waxes. I think it was called Vega. Or something like that.
I can't remember.
We got to learn our.
I know they've come out with so many different products that are just absolutely amazing.
So I'll probably let this dry and maybe add some of the gold again. Let's see. Jessie says she's stalking us. That's okay, Jessie. Jessie was Joel's best friend in our neighborhood when they were growing up.
And the key, y'all, to getting the transfers is to get a little bit of an air bubble under. And I don't know if y'all can tell or not, but see how white this is compared to the color?
You could kind of hear it cracking.
Yes. See how it's
Crazy.
going there? Okay. Then you can see, oh wow, that's pretty.
Pretty.
Boy, I love the way that's coming
Boy,
off.
these transfers are coming off nicely.
Oh, yes. And I'm trying, I tell you what, can you hold that
Yes.
for me? That way, because that way I won't have my hand in that way. Actually, I was really worried about the glass.
Well, it's holding up.
But Kathy put some towels under, so.
Seems to be taking the pressure.
Yeah. Okay, let's just tad it. Right here. I hadn't got that one.
When you
There
have
we
a
go.
really big transfer, something Renee and I do is we'll take a pair of scissors and cut off the excess so you don't have all this extra backer paper to deal with.
You know what? I wouldn't even care if not all of it came off.
Yep. I just stressed it.
And see that move? But that's okay. I'm kind of glad it did that.
Yep.
We just kind of,
There's happy mistakes.
we roll with the flow.
We do a lot of happy mistakes. Yeah, you could see the stress on that mirror at the edge there.
All right.
Whoop, a little bit.
Yeah, it is kind of putting some pressure on that mirror, isn't it?
Isn't that pretty?
Oh, wow.
I like how the crack of the
Yeah.
mirror finish is showing through it.
Yes.
I like that a
I
lot.
hope they can see this. I tell you
Can you
what,
guys
let
see
me. I think they can.
Yeah. Do you see that? Isn't that pretty?
That is, and we'll take some close-ups to post so that y'all can see too. So,
Thank you for sharing, Jessie.
yes, we appreciate all the shares we can get, y'all. I love this.
That's really pretty.
Yes, I really like that. I may be keeping this one.
Well, yeah, if I were you, I would. Sometimes our projects are hard to
Hard to let go.
let go. That looks really
Yeah.
cool.
And then you just kind of, if you see any loose edges, you can just take your hand and rub over it. So I really do like that. I think that's very pretty.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
Isn't that pretty?
Oh, look.
Awesome.
Yes.
That'll look good.
That would be very pretty. And I think I will whenever I get home. I'll
Yeah,
put
maybe a
one there and
or where it's layered, maybe right here
Yes.
with the teal.
give it a 3D effect. And some of the leaf ones. Let me get that.
Oh yeah, show them those. Those are beautiful. Those are called In the Garden, right?
Yeah, I don't remember. I've still not learned the names of these. But see, isn't that pretty? That would be pretty to put like up here around the edges and like even down through here.
Yes, definitely.
very pretty.
Yes.
And then this is another one.
It's got little roses, which would be awesome.
Yep. And again, if y'all would see anything that you're interested in, that you would like to purchase, send Kathy a message. You can go to my website, and if I have it there, you can order it. If not, message me, and I'll get it. So, wow,
Okay.
we're on a roll. We're done with
I
that
know. Well, if you guys hold on, or not hold on, but kind of stay
About 30 minutes.
30 minutes will be good to do the final last one,
Yep.
our canvas. We're
Yep.
doing a canvas with
Beautiful
the transfer.
canvas finish, and this is going to
Yeah.
be for your house.
Yeah, it's going to go in my living in color, what's it called? Dream in color bedroom wall. Behind the bed. I could tell I'm tired.
Yeah, me too. It's like, all right, y'all.
We'll
we
see
appreciate it.
you. Bye.
Bye, y'all.
See you in a
Bye,
little bit.
y'all. Well,
Wait,
It-
you